Hi viewers, welcome to Sandhya's Professional English Classes. How are you? Glad to see you all. While speaking or writing, we use words. Okay, these words are parts in our speaking or writing. Each and every word we use while doing so does a variety of function. Basing on their functioning, we divided them into 8. Yes, our today's topic is parts of speech. Yeah, these all 8 words we need not use all the time while speaking or writing. Of course, basing on the situation, we use them. Okay, what are they? They are noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. In my observation, I saw many students going wrong while writing the spelling of conjunction and interjection. Please don't do that, learn the spellings properly. Now we will come to know what a noun is. It is basically a word. Okay, all parts of speech are just words. Okay, so this word is used to name a person, place, thing, animal, an idea or a quality of mind. It is known as noun. In simple language, we can say that naming words are called nouns. Okay, let us get more clarity with examples. Look at the first one. Surekha is my friend. Here the word Surekha is highlighted. What is it? It is the name of a person. Next one. We have many relatives in Bangalore. Bangalore, it is the name of a place. So, names of persons or names of places are nouns. Let us move to next example. Every student should always maintain a dictionary. Here the highlighted word is dictionary. What is it? It's a thing. It's the name of a thing. Of course, a book. So it is a noun. Next, lion is the king of the forest. Lion. What is this? This is the name of an animal. Next, knowledge brings wisdom. In this sentence, highlighted words are knowledge, wisdom. What are they? They are just ideas. Okay, next one. Love and hatred are common to all human beings. Love, hatred. What are these? They run in our mind. We can say that they are the quality of our mind. So now, names of persons, names of places, names of things, names of animals, names of ideas or quality of mind are known as nouns. Got it? Next example. Hyderabad is a beautiful city. What is this Hyderabad? Again, it is the name of a place. Next. The cow is a useful animal. Here the cow. It is the name of an animal. Okay. Next. Rameshwaram is a temple city. Rameshwaram is the name of a place. The Bible is a holy book for Christians. Bible, what is it? It is the name of a thing, or else we can say that it is the name of a book. So, Bible is a noun. Next, Ramya dances well. Ramya is the name of a person. So, it is also a noun. Okay. Now, next one is adjective. What is an adjective? Generally, after going home, your mother asks you, how is the school? How is today? Like that. Just to answer her, you use some words. Today is awesome. Okay, something like that. So, what is this awesome word here? You want to describe that day, how it is. So, you are using a word. Okay, to describe the day. So, now all the describing words are adjectives. Daily we use, many times we use these adjectives knowingly or unknowingly. Okay. So basically adjective is also a word. It is used to describe or qualify a noun. Okay. First example, look at it. Sonu is a smiling baby. What kind of baby Sonu is? Smiling baby. So, here smiling word is describing the noun baby. So, smiling is adjective. Next, my friend is very clever. How is your friend? Very clever, clever, clever. Clever is adjective. Okay, next. This room is spacious. How is the room? Spacious. So it is a describing word, describing the room. Okay, next. I got a new friend. New. It is describing word here. Meher is a fast runner. Okay, fast. What is it? It is describing what kind of runner Meher is. Okay, so fast is adjective in this sentence. Next one. Nandu brought 2 red pens. Remember, all colors are adjectives and all numbers are adjectives. Here, 2 words are highlighted. What are those? 2, red. Both are adjectives. Next, it is an outdated fashion. What kind of fashion? Outdated. So, outdated is adjective. Next, never sleep with an empty stomach. What kind of stomach it is? Empty stomach. Empty is also a describing word. It is an adjective. Got it? Now, it is time to assess yourself. I think all my viewers are ready with a pen and book. Jot down the sentences, and the instruction here is you need to circle the nouns and underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Okay, now I am going to read the sentences for you. Shall I start? Yes, first one. Her handwriting is legible. Her handwriting is legible. I prefer drinking cold coffee. I prefer drinking cold coffee. Next one. My mother arranged a grand party on my birthday. My mother arranged a grand party on my birthday. Next one. It is really a great time spending with you. It is really a great time spending with you. The dish is greatly mouth-watering. The dish is greatly mouth-watering. Okay, take some time to answer. Yes? Shall I reveal the answers? Okay. I will show you the slide. Let me answer because I need to look at the sentence, no? Okay. First one, her handwriting is legible. Here the noun is handwriting and a describing word, that is adjective, is legible. Okay. You are describing handwriting here. How is handwriting? Legible. So, legible is adjective, handwriting is noun in this sentence. Second one, I prefer drinking cold coffee. Coffee is noun, cold is adjective. My mother arranged a grand party on my birthday. Grand. Grand is adjective. And I want to pick up 3 nouns here. Mother. It is the name of a person. Okay. Mother is noun. Party is noun. And birthday is also a noun in this sentence. Next one. It is really a great time spending with you. Great. Great is adjective. And a time. It is noun in this sentence. Last one. The dish is greatly mouth-watering. Dish is noun and adjective is mouth-watering. Okay friends. Thank you for watching the video. And one thing I want to tell you here. I made 4 videos on the topic parts of speech. Okay. In every video I covered 2 topics. In this video, I covered noun and adjective. No, very soon I am going to upload the remaining videos on parts of speech. Totally, you will get 4 videos. Okay. So, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.